guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be experimenting with activated charcoal to make a creepy and spooky Halloween-inspired black artisan bread. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell.
Today we're going to need flour, yeast, salt, activated charcoal powder, and warm water. Start by combining all of your dry ingredients in a large bowl and whisk to combine well. Now add your warm water and combine to form a shaggy dough. Cover and let rise for 12 to 14 hours. I like to let mine rise overnight and bake in the morning. Stretch and fold 3 to 4 times, cover and let rise for 30 more minutes. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit with your pot in the oven. Once your pot is preheated, generously flour the bottom of the pot and carefully plop your dough into the hot pot. Now bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove the lid and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until desired crust has been achieved. Let cool on wire rack. I hope you enjoy!